Hi, I'm Erica Cook, Life Enrichment Director for Carl M. Freeman Companies, and we just wrapped up Bayside's Wellness Week. So we had a full week of programming here at Bayside that focused on mind, body, and most importantly, connection. Our members participated in mindful meditation, healthy cooking demos, birding by kayak here at the point, and so much more. Best of all, they didn't even have to leave their community. We're so excited about this week and what it brought and the friendships that it created. Here's to more.
Hey everybody at Bayside. This is Christy Davis. I am so excited to be here and be a part of your Wellness Week. I am an autoimmune health coach, and I just did a session on how to quit sugar for life. And that is hard, right? We all love our sugar. And I was teaching everybody really how to understand how it's really affecting our body overall, what it does to our brain, what it does to our gut, and what it does to our hormones. And it was a great educational event, so fun to see, so many smiling faces, and to see you kind of light up and understand really, what you're eating and putting into your body every day.
My name is Eli Nazimov. I was part of the Wellness Week program. It was about uplifting happiness. We learn regarding of mindset and building characters through our gratitude and resilience and, of course, purpose.
Hi, Chef Francesco here, and I'm so excited to have been part of Wellness Week here at Bayside Institute. This week I conducted a class on healthy Italian cooking, so I did a rendition of potato gnocchi, and I took the potato out and made cauliflower. So the carbs are way lower. We all enjoyed the meal, and everybody took some home. It was beautiful. And bocca al lupo.
Good morning, Bayside. Mark and Joan Permar. We happen to live here, and we just participated this week in the Wellness Week, sponsored by the Bayside Institute, along with BB Healthcare. A big thank you. We really appreciate all the fun we had and all the people we met. We look forward to having another one maybe in the fall.
Thank you, Bayside Institute, for a wonderful Wellness Week.